Hello and welcome to Digital Zone channel. My name is Iris and today I will show you how to quickly and easily remove green screen from photo. So let's get started. First, we will need a photo with a green background. If you would like to practice using the same image as I do, you can download it from my website. The link is in the description below. We will start by selecting the layer we want to edit. Then, from the top menu, we choose Select and then Select and Mask. This is a tool in Photoshop that helps us select and refine the edges of an image. At first, the image disappears and we see an empty background. That's because we haven't told Photoshop what exactly we want to work with yet. Click Select Subject, which automatically selects and main the object in the photo. If the selection isn't quite right, you can make adjustment using the tool on the left panel. In our case, we don't need to make any change. At the top of the view mode, you will see a different background option to preview the object, so you can check if the selection is accurate. Below that, you will find several settings to fine-tune the details. Radius control the width of the selection edge, smooth, softness the edges and make them smoother. Feather blurs the edges. Contrast, as the name suggests, increase the contrast between colors. Shift edge move the selection inward or outward from the original edge. To improve the hair selection, use the Refine Hair button. This sharpens the selection around the hair. Once you are happy with settings, click OK and apply a mask. You can always return to these settings by clicking on the mask thumbnail. But now we have a problem here. The background is gone, but the hair still looks green. Why? Did we something wrong? No. Our mask is fine. The problem is that these fine strands of hair are so thin they naturally take on the color of the background and the green shines through them. To fix this, we need to do a bit more work on the image. In the Layer mini menu, click on the half-filled circle icon and choose Hue and Saturation. A new menu with sliders will appear. Since we want to remove the green screen remnants, change Master to green. Now set Hue and Saturation to the maximum to clearly highlight the areas we are working on. Using the sliders, select the area of the hair that still appears green. You can fine-tune the transition using the small arrows below. Once you have selected the green area, return saturation to 0 and in Hue choose the tone that best matches the nature hair color. These fine hairs that we previously tinted green are now corrected to match to the hair's natural brown. And voila, we are done. We have successfully and quickly removed green screen from the photo. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you. If the video helped, feel free to support me with a like and subscription. It's all for today, and I will see you next time to another tutorial.